Towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get a free 130-page book on becoming more strategic, focused, and competitive. The book takes you through an 8-step strategic planning process that helps you create and articulate your winning strategy, set goals using the OKR framework, and create a launch event and form weekly execution rhythms that keep everyone on track. You should also check out the free Miro board that makes it easy to manage planning workshops. And when you're ready to bring your strategy to life and manage your growth in software, you should also check out Zocri. Zocri makes managing your strategy, OKRs, culture, and people easy, improving productivity and focus whilst reducing your execution risk.
Hi, my name is Matt Roberts, and I'm the person responsible for bringing together a great team of strategy, goal setting, and execution specialists. Our collective aim was to create an easy-to-follow strategy creation process that lays the foundations for optimizing your growth and making that growth sustainable. So by being strategic, we mean that you have a plan that contains specific information on what you're trying to win, the customers that you're going to serve and provide value to better than your competitors, and how you're going to do that in a way that differentiates you and creates a competitive advantage. Most plans, being called strategies, do not have these specifics. And without a strategy, of course, growth or even winning is possible. But what you find is growth and success is certainly less deliberate and probably going to be less sustainable. Plus, the frequent changing of goalposts can be really frustrating to be around for employees. So in creating our strategic process, we looked at a wide range of planning concepts and processes. There was always a balancing act that we needed to get right. When is simple too simple? And when is comprehensive just too slow and overly complex? So our guiding principles were rooted in simplicity, plan quality, creation speed, and of course its final effectiveness. And naturally, we needed leadership teams to succeed with the process. But we also found the process needed the ability to bring teams along for the ride and make them part of the journey and the final destination. So after trying and testing what's out there, and after a number of iterations, we have brought together the best of the best, and we've made it both cohesive and easy to follow, and often added our own collective wisdom via our own experiences. So you will see some of the hard-earned wisdom of Harvard strategy expert Roger Martin at play, because that tested really well. You'll see a hybrid between strategic pillars and balanced scorecard combined with OKR best practices, which again tested really well for simplicity, comprehension, and impact. And with many of our coaching team also being experts in systems like EOS and Scale Up, there are echoes of some of their implementation learnings in there as well, like following a specific weekly team meeting agenda. So what we have is a cocktail of great planning ingredients that I'd love you to try and enjoy the process, as it's fun and rewarding in many ways, not just financial. And we certainly know that all of your teams will enjoy the process and, more importantly, the conversations that will happen as a result. And I personally really believe that by following this process, the next plan that you create will be your best one yet.